Look at this shirt.
Yeah, what is that shirt for?
It's Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yeah.
This shirt.
Yeah.
It's me.
Can you say Happy St. Patrick's Day, Grandma? No?
Grandma's gone.
Oh, okay. Where'd Grandma go?
I think she's upstairs.
Yeah. What about your other grandmas?
There's Happy St. Patrick's Day. That's Mommy's. One. And we have both. And we have... So I'm blue. So we're blue.
Yeah.
I have 50 eyes and I'm a blue boy.
Okay.
His bag.